Kayla. My mom's Janome Dasher, the person who does application. And today we're going to be threading my sewing machine. So first, you might have a side one, or you have one to mine. You have one, you put it right here. And then, you see this? You did a little hole right here. So you put it through the hole and then go down. And then you go down here. And you go over here. Make sure you stay to the right. And then you guys have to push this kind of like the turtle peeking out. You see that? And then you put it through the hole. Be really careful. Then you got it. We're gonna go down. And here is the tricky part, guys. Hang on, here's the tricky part. Guys, we've got 2 more, so we're gonna cut it up like this one. Now I need this. So guys, be really careful with your string. So now, over here, see, I can't see this. So we're going to take our healthy.
Be sure to hook it in the back of the black first.
Yeah. So you start here.
Wait, hook your thread in the back of the black?
Hook your thread in the back of black. What do you mean? Oh yeah.
Right here, remember?
I forgot.
Come down here.
Okay guys, like, so you come down here.
There you go.
You see a little hook. You hook it there, and then you start.
There you go. Now you're starting to thread your needle.
Yeah, now you start to thread your needle. So you take this, if you can't see, you take your healthy dandy flower knitting. So or it can be pink or purple, doesn't really matter. You slide it through.
Okay, so she's sliding that through the needle. I'm going to show you guys. Move your fingers for me, Kayla. She's sliding it through the needle to help her get it through the needle. Now, you don't have to use a needle threader, but you can if it helps you see better.
It's stuck.
Oh, it got stuck. That's okay. How about you first try to put it through the hole on your own, and then if you can't, then you can do the needle threader.
Okay, guys, be really careful.
Your needle needs to be up so you can see it.
I need this.
Oh, the presser foot, keep it down so you can have it out the way.
Or if it's up, it'll kind of help a little. So guys, you don't have to do this, but I'm going to push my presser up so it can help me a little. Actually, it's
better down, right?
Yeah. Guys, this is really hard and tricky. I tried this, but it got bent. So guys, I'm trying to unbend it.
Alright, so that teeny tiny needle hole is what we're trying to get through. And I think Mommy is going to help. And then we're going to unpause and then we'll show you the rest. Okay guys, so we have our needle threader through the needle.
Yep.
And you see right here, let me show you a side angle. Yeah. So the needle, the thread is through the needle threader. And the needle threader is through the needle. So now she's going to pull the purple flower. And it pulled it straight through. So now your needle is threaded. And then we're going to just take it and run it under the presser foot and pull it to the back. And then she's going to go ahead and put the bobbin case inside.
Okay.
So since we've already showed you how to thread a bobbin, she's just going to show you how to drop this bobbin in the bobbin case.
So we're not going to use this empty bobbin, we're going to use this bobbin. So we'll do this. You see this little arrow? And then you just turn around.
Okay, your bobbin thread should be going counterclockwise. And then you're going to slide it through the notch. There you go. You're going to slide it through the notch right here. And then slide it to the back. There we go. And voila. And then you're going to close your bobbin case.
I'm going to put this bobbin back in here.
And then you're going to be ready to So Kayla, we're gonna go ahead and grab a piece of fabric, and then we'll do a couple of stitches.
So guys, we're unpaused and we're gonna keep going by sewing some of this fabric. So we're going to push the presser foot up, put the fabric under. Now put the presser foot down, and then we put the thread down into the hole, and then start pulling. Make sure the back is and that is how you thread. So I made a little mistakes, but it's okay because it turned out so far so good. So we're gonna take this out and then cut it. Cut a little.
Alright, so show us your stitch.
Do that. And here is my stitch. And that is how you stitch fabric.
Alright, thank you.